Hello everyone and welcome back to the new video of this channel. So today we'll be solving a problem which is number of islands Leetcode 200 problem. So let's see the problem statement. So before going forward in this video, please make sure that you have liked and subscribed to this channel. And also it's my advice to all of you that please read the problem and try to build up the illusion. So now let's see the problem statement. So problem is saying that we have given a m cross n 2D binary grid which represents the map of one is showing the land and zero is showing the water. It is same like the previous problem of the day. So we have to return the number of islands. An island is surrounded by water and is formed by connecting adjacent lands horizontally and vertically. Okay, so the lands are not connected to the diagonally. So you may assume all four edges and grid or all surrounded by water. Okay, so let's see this example 1 1 1 then 1 then 0. So let's see this how many adjacent doors are there. So one is, so by connecting the ones we can connect the island basically. So we have to connect the ones, how many ones we can connect. So it is like we can connect these ones as you can see here the cursor, we can connect these ones. So this is making a one island, so that's why we are returning one here. You can see here this example second, this is connecting ones, means by connecting these ones we can connect a island, these ones. Now by connect these ones we can connect the island. We can't connect these diagonally, because that we can't connect diagonally, we can connect left, right, top and bottom. So second one is this one and third one is this one, so the output will be 3. So now let's see the approach for this problem. So you can see here the example 1 1 1 then 1 1 1 then again 1. So if we connect all ones, this is making a island, single island, so that's why island equals to 1. You can see here we are connecting these ones, we can't connect these two because diagonally we can't connect. So one is the island, first one is this island, second one is this island and third one is this island, so island equals to 3. So you can see here we can connect left, right, top and bottom. So if x comma y point is I am here at the x comma y point, so I can, if I go right, then it will be x comma y plus 1. Then if I go up, it will be x minus 1 comma y. If I go down, it will be x plus 1 comma y. And if I go left, then it will be x comma y minus 1. So let us see this example. So by using this example, we will understand the approach. So you can see here, we are just traversing the whole matrix or grid. So we are just using a DFS approach, depth first search. So you can see here, 0 is showing the water, 1 is showing the land and 2 is showing the visited land. अगर मैं एक इस लैंड पर हूँ, ठीक है, 1 पर हूँ, अगर मैं 1 को विजिट कर चुका हूँ, तो I'll mark it as 2. You can mark it as any other question mark or factorial. You can mark it anywhere. I am marking it as 2. 2 is showing I have visited this particular land. Okay. So let's traverse this by using two loops. If I am at 0 0 0, I will see like if it is 1. It is 1, it means it is a land, and number of land initially will be 0. Now it will be 1 because I am here. 1 is there, so now number of lands will be 1. And I will see like I'll do the function call. I will see like up is out of the bound, left is out of the bound, right, if I go right, right is 1. So this is the condition, I'll mark it as 2. Initially I'll mark it as 2 and now I'll mark it as 2. Now again function call, upper 0 because out of the bound. If I go right, then it is 0, I can't go because there is a border. If I go right, that is the visited node. Because how we'll know that that is a visited node? Because I have already marked it as 2. So that is the visited node, that is showing that it is this node is already visited, I can't go there. So I have only one option, I can't go to bottom. So if I go bottom, then I will see like if I'll mark it as 2 because 2 is showing the visited node. Now I have four options, like I can go right. If I go right, there is a 0. It means 0 is showing the water, I can't go. If I go bottom, then also I can't go because there is a water. If I go upper side, then you can see here I have already marked it as visited, so I can't go there. I have only option to go left. Now if I go left, I have all now I have also four options. You can see if I go left, then it is a out of the bind. If I go upper side, then visited. If I go lower side, then also bota is there. If I go right side, then also it is visited. So now I can't go anywhere. So now again I will traverse because I have stopped here. Now again I will traverse. I'll check like 0 0 0 0 0. I'll do nothing. I have found it here a 2 1. Now it is a land, so I'll mark it as one को cross कर देंगे, two को कर देंगे, because now I have two lands, because this is forming a one land, number of island, and this is forming a second island. And again you can see here I have four option, all four are zero, so I can't go there. Now I have stopped here. Now I'll again traverse and I'll see this, and now I'll to mark it as 3 because I have to cut 2 and mark it as 3 because there are three options, like one is connecting these nodes, second is connecting these nodes, and third is connecting these nodes. So the time complexity and space complexity will be very simple. The time complexity is big of m or big of mn because we are just traversing the whole grid. So it should be big of mn actually, because it is a m cross n matrix, so big of mn. And space complexity will also be big of 1. In worst case, or what will happen, big of mn, because we are just doing the recursive call. And recursive call, there is a स्टेक मेमोरी. अगर recursive call करते हो तो स्टेक मेमोरी बनती है. अगर उस मेमोरी को इंक्लूड करो तो big of mn plus big of memory that I have taken, the execution will happen according to that memory. So big of mn plus big of memory, that will be the space complexity. So let's see the code for this problem. So coding part is very simple. We are just initializing a rows, and if I'll check like if my rows is equal to 0, I'll simply return 0. That is my base condition. If columns is this grade of 0 dot size, now number of islands initially is 0. Now I'll traverse 4 into I equals to 0 to I less than n, I plus 1, and 0 equals to j equals to 0 to 0 less j less than m, and j plus 1. Now I'll check like if a grade of ij equals to 1, that can connect a id, that can be a land, that is a land, but that can make a island. So that's why I will check like mark current island. This is the function I will tell you about this. And number of islands plus equals to 1. I have to increase the islands, number of islands also. And finally, we will return our number of islands. So this is a function void mark current islands, and in function I have passed matrix x by and row column. Now I'll check like if this is a condition, out of the bound condition, if x less than 0, and if x is greater than equals to row, and this is also a base condition, like if y is less than 0 and y greater than equals to 0, greater than equals to c, it means I have gone out of the bound. So I will not do anything. I'll simply return our answer. And also I will check like if matrix of x comma y is not equal to 1, it means it can be 0 or 2. 2 is showing the visitor and 0 is showing the water. I can't do anything about this. Now I have to mark it as 2 because 2 is showing the visited. Now I have to go in all direction, 4 direction, and I'll simply do the function call. That is the code. And I have already told you about the time complexity and space complexity. So let's run this code and see if this will work or not. It is working perfect. Let's submit this code. You guys see here it is submitted. So this was the code. If you find this helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe. Tab tak ke liye bye.